So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this time we are going to solve one question which is available in LeetCode, and where this is SQL question, means database question, but we are going to solve it using Pandas this time. So let's see how we can solve this one. So this is basically saying we have to find the second highest salary, and there might be three possible cases where this can be one case, like the data frame length is one, and this can be one case where all the salaries are like different. There is no same salary for different IDs, and there can be another case also where multiple IDs can have same salary. So in that case we have to see what we can do. Okay, so I already have the code. I actually already written this one, and I'm just going to explain, and let us, I don't know if it is getting captured or not. Let's copy this code and paste it here. Okay, so what we are doing here, if length of set of employee sub salary equal to 1, like see, we are taking this employee sub salary, means we are taking the salary column and we are generating one set. That means all the duplicate values, it will be converted into one single value. And if the length is 1, like suppose here 100 and 100 are there, 300s are there, it will get only 100. Okay, and if it is equals to 1, then we have to just return the a data frame which will have one column, like second highest salary, and it will have null in that result. Okay. So next what we're doing is, next I will copy paste this one. Okay, so let's see what we are doing in the next step. So next step, we are generating one new data frame, which taking the employee data frame, which is passing in the argument, and we are grouping by salary, and we are taking the ID and salary, both the columns, and we are getting the minimum values. Like suppose here 1 and 2 is there, and 100 and 100 is there, so it will get us the 1 and 100. Okay, because it does not matter like what values you are getting, as long as we are getting only one single value and only one single index, like one single ID. So we are getting the minimum values, and we are just renaming the salary column as a capital salary, because it will go to the index. So when you will access the salary column, it will get some conflict and it will raise some error. So we are just renaming the original column into a modified one. Okay, so the next step is, I hope you understood this one. The next step is, like, we are again converting into, it is not working. Okay, so in the next step we are just converting, we are generating one new data frame, and we are sorting the values of salary by descending order, and we are storing it in a new data frame. Okay, that's it for the third step. And the next step is, so the next step, basically what it is doing is, we are storing it in another same data frame. We are just replacing it. Okay, we are just replacing it, like we are resetting the index, because what is there is, suppose we are here, like here the index is salary. Okay, so we cannot get the second highest value, like we need the index, right? So we cannot get the second highest index based on the salary index. Okay, so we are just resetting the index. What it will do, it will convert the existing index value into one column, and it will show the all the index as 0 1 2 3, like it will show serial wise. So we are just converting, just resetting the index here, and we are dropping uh, like what we're doing is, suppose we got the all the index, like the values are in descending order, and we reset the index like it is in 0 1 2 3 4 5. So we are just basically dropping the first row, that is 0, and we are accessing the first row, like after dropping, suppose the highest salary is in first row, and the second highest salary will be on the second row. So we dropped the first row, that means we are after dropping, if we have to access the second highest row, that means we will access basically the 0 index. So we are accessing the 0 index, and we are renaming for the data frame. We are renaming that, we remember this one, we like we renamed this one into salary, so we are just renaming that column into second highest salary, and axis equal to 1, so that it will rename it properly. Okay, so we are just, after that we will just basically we'll just return the second highest salary, like the renamed column, as a data frame. So we are using two square brackets. Okay, so we'll just run this one. Now we'll see. You can see 4 test cases, like past. See, this one might be easy in SQL, but in Pandas to do, like you have to figure out what functions and what are the things you have to use. So basically it will take a little bit of time. Like see here, you cannot test what are the outputs you are getting, like every time you have to return a data frame. So for that it might take you a long time, but it is okay, just understand the concepts, like whatever you're using. So if you are an experienced person in Pandas and you have a better way of doing it, please mention it in comment, so that everyone will learn. Whoever is watching this video, everyone will learn, and I will also learn. So basically we're doing the video for learning purpose. Okay, so this is the solution. If you have a better solution, please mention in the comments, and if you learn something, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video.